Hi, welcome back everyone. Sorry I haven't released any videos over the last about a week. I got home, was really ambitious, got that first video out, well the two videos, one on the MIG welder, or the new Miller welder, and then the one changing up the accessory drives and pulling the factory fittings out of the water pump, and promised everyone I had videos coming out for the next few days. I ended up getting really sick, still feeling kind of crappy, but I suffer through it and get out here and make a little bit more content for you guys. First things first, so I did want to show you guys some goodies that I got from LOJ. So first one here, told you guys those the fittings and everything were going to be coming for this water pump. These guys are awesome. I'll have to look up who manufactures them, but the only place I could find them was on Steven's website, so I know he does get them directly from the manufacturer. But as you guys can see here, these are the 150s. Let me get it out of the bag here so you guys can actually see how awesome these things are. But they are black anodized and then a titanium anodized on them. So yeah, these guys will be sitting right off of here like this. And it'll allow me to angle the line straight up through there, and all I gotta do is get that exhaust angled out this way. And I may or may not use this one. I've got some truck manifolds. The good thing with the truck manifolds is they actually stick off the engine a little bit further. I was unaware of that before I chopped up these brand new amazing looking LS3 manifolds. Good thing I got them for a really good deal. But pardon me. This is kind of a little bit of the work that I've done to this one manifold. Got a little bit of TIG welding done on there. It's not too bad for my first try. And this manifold may actually work on this side, it may not. I'm trying to get it far enough up and out so that we can get the AC hoses tied back in here. So we'll see on that, but that's a little bit that I've done. Definitely got to improve on it. I cracked a couple of the welds as I was trying to beat it into place over here, so we'll see if I use those. Along with those fittings, I did get a bunch of 10AN hose, so that'll be running all of my heater core lines. And the let me get some of this stuff out of the way here. The cream of the crop here though, and I believe I hinted towards this last video or a couple videos ago. So I did order my clutch and flywheel with the kit from LOJ, and I did opt to go with the twin disc setup on this. Main reason behind it is I'm gonna start with 550 to 600 horse. I want to get the car lined out. They actually got some drag wheels and slicks coming. A guy that I work with has some for a Supra, doesn't want them, so they are 15s. I'm gonna have to pull the Brembo calipers off of that, put the base model calipers on it, and then those 15s should fit perfectly on it. We're gonna try that. Once I have the 550 600 horse lined out and it'll go down the drag strip, I'm going to start turning this up. So talked with Steven. over there at LOJ. Kind of told him what my thoughts were, what I was looking to do, and goals, and we decided to build this guy. I believe that he said it was rated either 1100 or 1200 horsepower, so this thing should get some stuff done. As well, I got the bracket here to mount the CD09. All I'm waiting for now is just my adapter plate for the CD009 to the LS engine. So once I have that, I'm gonna get the whole thing mounted in there and start busting out this hot side on this. Kind of chopping up what I can and routing what I can with what I got, but I won't truly know until I have it in the car. So anyways, enough rambling. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these, like I said in the last video, this MPT to AN is not the one that I'm gonna use. That was just one that I had laying around. I have the new ones here that I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna get those mounted in there, get those AN fittings on there, and I still need to pull this water pump off and tap this up top here for that MPT fitting. So I think that's what I'll do today, get that knocked off, and then that way I can actually clean the whole thing out, get all the aluminum slivers from drilling and tapping out. So bear with me. I'm gonna get stuff situated here and I'll be right back with you. All right, I got the accessory drive off of here. Got, well, some of it. Got the belt off. I was able to get those all on there. I mean, they look amazing on there. So like I said, we'll be able to route those right up through here, and hopefully we'll see with the intake, either I'll be able to run them up here or somehow direct them back towards the firewall. The heater hoses do sit on the driver's side of the firewall on the Infinity. So also got this little guy tapped in there, got the 90 on there. We'll plug it in right back here. Sorry, I keep making you guys look right into the light there. So tap it right in there, and that'll give us our full steam port, all four corners. So I do need to pull the water pump completely off and flush it out, get all the little debris out of it. So I'll get that off, get that cleaned up, get it back on, and then I'm gonna put one of these truck manifolds on here and kind of see how it compares to these LS3 ones. Like I said, I think those manifolds kick out a little bit further. The LS3s were designed to hug the block a little bit better, tighter clearances on the cars. So while these did look a lot better, I'm thinking the truck manifolds are going to be the route to go. Hence the reason why most people go with them. I should try not to reinvent the wheels and just pay attention to what other people are doing, right? But that's part of the adventure. You know, learn for yourself. Think you're making good decisions, and you learn from your screw ups. So I will definitely let you guys know which route I do go with that. And I got a couple more things I'm going to do here today. So like I said, I will get this water pump off, get it cleaned up, get it put back in there. So I'll get that taken off, and I'll be right back with you guys. Well guys, I got looking at this and I may have just screwed up pretty good. So I won't fully know till I get my intake here and throttle body, but I put this pretty much, I'm thinking it's going to be right in the way of the throttle body. Good thing is I can just get 8-inch MPT plug that and just move this over. Won't look the best, but at least it is a fix, and I don't have to buy an entirely new water pump. So like I told you guys from the beginning, I'll bring you along for my screw ups too. So yeah, hopefully I leave Monday to go back to North Dakota. So I did order a used LS3 intake, and it came with throttle bodies, rails, and injectors, and I got it for $300 shipped. So looks like it's in really good shape. We'll see when it gets here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using that. I'm going to have to get some spacers for it, but I won't know if this is going to be in the way until then. I'm sure somebody's going to let me know in the comments though. So appreciate that feedback if you guys have it. All I really have to do is just move it off to the side here though. So anyways, I'm still going to take the throttle or the water pump off and get it cleaned out and go from there. But I'm going to end the video here. I got some errands I got to run, and I will be back with you guys tomorrow. So if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, and help us build this channel. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying the feedback I'm getting from everybody, and I feel like the content's getting a lot better. I'm feeling a lot more comfortable. Still not the best talking to a camera, but feeling a lot more comfortable. So like I said, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.